Welcome to the Emperor Elementary Music Assembly.
Hi, sir. What is your name?
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Taylor. I teach the orchestra here at Emperor.
Okay, I heard there was a parent meeting coming up soon. Could you tell us when that is?
Absolutely. First of all, the parent meeting is only for beginners. So if you've already played an instrument, your parents don't need to come to the meeting. But if you're gonna start an instrument this year, we want you to come to Oak Avenue this Monday night at 6:30 and we'll meet in the gym. We're gonna give you all the information you need to know about where to get an instrument and what time classes are and all that stuff. So make sure your parent comes to that meeting next Monday.
Sounds interesting. Make sure to be there. Can you tell us your name?
Maya Naylor.
Okay. What do you like doing about Brightest?
I love performing. I love being on stage and making an audience smile. I love making them laugh and just smiling up on stage.
Is that why you also wanted to join?
Yeah, that's part of it. I also saw this tour actually, and I saw Brighter Side and I thought they were so cool and I really want to be a part of it.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Remember, if you see this, remember to join Brighter Side if you want. What's your name?
My name is Mr. Smith.
Okay, so could you tell us more about the flyers that are coming out?
So we have two flyers. One of them is a pink flyer. This is for the students who were in band or orchestra last year, and it tells them for advanced band and advanced orchestra when their first lesson is. Their first lesson for the band is on Monday, and their first lesson for the orchestra is on Tuesday. And then we also have a blue flyer that everybody's going to get who was not in band or orchestra last year, who wants to start an instrument new, and they're going to come to a meeting on Tuesday in the cafeteria.
If you want to learn an instrument, make sure to grab those flyers. Tell us your name.
I'm Evelyn.
Why did you want to join band?
I first heard the flute when I was really young, and I instantly fell in love with it. And now I play the flute.
What do you like about it?
I like how it's very expressive and musical, and you can really express all you feel, and you don't have to use words.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you guys want to join, make sure to go to the meeting.
My name is Cece and I'm in 6th grade. What was your favorite part of the assembly? My favorite part of the assembly was the band performance.
Hi, what's your name and grade?
My name is Carson and I'm also in 6th grade.
What was your favorite part of the assembly?
My favorite part was the orchestra performance. It was very musical.
Now it's time for bloopers.
Hi, what's your name and grade?
Hi, what's your name and grade? What was your favorite part of the assembly?
Was
Thanks for watching!